Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a close look at the Volvo FE, a versatile medium-duty truck that's built to handle urban and regional transport with ease. Whether it's delivering goods in the city or managing construction, site logistics, the FE is designed to perform reliably and efficiently. Let's start with the design. From the outside, the Volvo FE has a clean, modern appearance with a strong front grille that showcases the iconic Volvo logo. The aerodynamic contours not only look great, but also contribute to improved fuel efficiency. The shining silver finish on this model adds a premium touch, making it stand out even more, especially when parked in a fleet lineup. Moving to performance, the Volvo FE comes with a range of engine options. Most commonly, it's equipped with a 7.7-liter, 6-cylinder diesel engine that delivers a solid combination of power and fuel economy. It offers horsepower ranging from 250 to 350, depending on the configuration, and is paired with Volvo's I-Shift automated transmission, which ensures smooth and efficient gear changes. Driving the Volvo FE is a surprisingly refined experience. The steering is precise, visibility from the cab is excellent, and the suspension system absorbs road imperfections effectively, all of which make it easier to handle in tight city streets or on longer highway runs. Safety features like electronic stability control, lane keeping support, and advanced braking systems add to driver confidence. Now, let's take a look inside the cab. Volvo has designed the interior with the driver in mind. The cabin is spacious, with an ergonomic layout that reduces fatigue on long shifts. The seats are fully adjustable and offer excellent support. The dashboard is intuitive, with clear digital displays and easily accessible controls. There's ample storage throughout the cabin, and optional upgrades include climate control, premium audio, and an infotainment system that supports Bluetooth and navigation. In terms of payload, the FE is built for flexibility. It supports a wide range of body configurations, from refrigerated transport to construction applications, making it a reliable choice for many industries. Its gross vehicle weight ranges up to 26 tons, and the chassis is engineered to handle tough jobs without compromising ride quality. One of the standout aspects of the Volvo FE is its environmental focus. There are hybrid and fully electric variants available in some markets, aimed at reducing emissions and meeting the growing demand for sustainable transport solutions.